Hello everyone, welcome to Tinkle. In this video, let us discuss about pulleys. What is a pulley? A pulley is nothing but a wheel with a groove around which you can pass a thread. For example, you might have seen this on a well or a flagpole or on a clothesline also. Now, how this works is very quickly. On one side there will be a load attached which we have to pull from bottom to up, and while we apply force from the other side it goes up. Now let's do this activity, but instead of pulling with hand we will use a motor. So we have the pulley and the motor with us. First let's fix the pulley onto the motor, and then we have to fix the motor on this bit, and then to make this stand I will insert this piece here, and then I'll make this stand. So now our stand is ready. Now we have to pass a thread over this pulley. So you can take a long thread and cut a piece depending on how much length you want. So I have the thread now. At one end of the thread I'll tie the basket in which I'll keep my load. So at one end we have tied the basket in which we will be keeping our load, and the other end of the thread we will tie here around the pulley. And we want a power source also. So for that, in the beginning, let's connect red and red and black wires. Now our setup is ready. Let's see the working. Into the basket I will be keeping these marbles which will act as our load. You can keep anything else, your erasers, sharpeners or whatever you want. So let's see the working. We have the load there, and let's see what happens when I switch this on. So you can see that the load is coming up. Now we have to send the load back down. What we'll do is we will interchange the terminals. That is, we will connect the black wire of the power source to the red wire of the motor and the other way around. Now let us see what will happen when we switch it on. So with the terminals interchanged, let's see what happens when I switch it on. You can see that the pulley goes down, and along with so does the load.